English, Class 3, Unit 2. Hello, hello, how do you do? Good wishes, good wishes, good wishes for all of you. Hello, hello, how do you do? I welcome all of you. It's so nice to see you. It's fun greeting you. Hey, what you say? Let's celebrate. It's a brand new day. Hey, what you say? Let's celebrate. It's a beautiful day. Hey, 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 hey. Come to me, come to me. We'll sing and play. And I promise, we'll learn new things each day. We'll learn new things each day. Children, today we are going to study the poem Bird Talk, which is enshrined in your Marigold Book 3. While studying through this video of this chapter, students shall be able to recite the poem individually with correct pronunciation and intonation, to read aloud with appropriate pronunciation and pause, to read the small text in English with comprehension, identify the main idea and details in sequence and draw conclusions in English, to respond appropriately to oral messages. Use meaningful short sentences in English, orally and in writing. Use a variety of nouns, pronouns, adjectives, and prepositions. Read printed scripts on screen. Dear students, you know what? I saw a beautiful bird today that I had never seen before. I wonder how different these birds are from us. Think of the birds we all have quite often seen. And yes, you can also write these names in your notebooks. Come on, hurry up, open your notebooks. Let's start writing also. So now your task is to think about birds that you have seen around and write their names. You write in your notebook and I'll write in mine. Yes, very good. Keep writing. I can see you all writing. This is wonderful. Wow. Good handwriting. Very good. Keep writing. Ma'am, I have written duck. Very good. And what else? I wrote pigeon. Good, good, very good. And what else? I wrote dove. That's good. I see. And what else? Parrot. Oh, great. What else have you written? Sparrow. Yes, sparrow. Very good. Very good. So, did you write these names also? Very good. So, tell me the spellings that you wrote. Okay, ma'am. Okay. So, I'm waiting for your spellings. D-U-C-K. Duck. Very good. And what about pigeon? How did you write that? P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. Very good. Dove. Dove. Very good. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Lovely. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. Very good. So you have scored 5 out of 5 marks. Great. So let me repeat. D-U-C-K, duck. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. D-O-V-E, dove. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. Wonderful, wonderful. I love doing this activity with you, my dear children. So children, the sparrow I saw today was a little different than which we usually see. This sparrow is known by the name Robin. Suddenly, there came another bird named Jay. Children, both these species of birds were looking so beautiful. Robin and Jay. It seemed like they are talking with each other. Children, what do birds talk? Have you ever given it a thought? See, we are talking about birds. Do you think they also talk about us? Dear ma'am, I want to sing this. Oh, great, Navi. So, why don't you try it? Let's start. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about the people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Wow! Oh my God, Navi! You have sung it so beautifully. I'm so happy for this. You know what? I'm feeling like hearing it from you again. Why not all of us sing together? So, all my dear learners, learning through this video, you all can also sing. So let's come and sing together. No one should be left. This is wonderful. Let's start. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day, talking one day. Think about the people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Now it's your turn to sing along and I will be mute. So you just listen to the music and echo the poem. Let's start. So, did you all sing with me? Let's sing together. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about the people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? So now, are you ready to answer some questions? Let's start. Just tell me. Number 1, the name of the 2 birds in the poem. Very good. Robin and Jay. Wonderful, wonderful. Very well done. So your next question is, what are the 3 things that people can do? Good, good, very good. So it is that they can't eat beetles. Oh, of course, we can't eat beetles. And the second thing is that they don't grow wings. Right? You don't have wings now, my dear children. So we can't grow wings. And they don't like sitting on the wires and things. So we can't sit on the wires. We don't like sitting on wires and, these kind of slender things. So this is what your answer would be. Read it along with me. They can't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. And they don't like sitting on wires and things. So what do birds think of people? Yes, birds think we people are funny. So that's great. That's what birds think about us. And what do we think about birds? We think the birds are so lovely and charming. Anyway, so let's move ahead. Well, it was a fun-filled session of exercises. Let's sing together and enjoy the poem again. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about the people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way?
Children, today I am going to tell you how to make finger puppets. I am sure you are going to love this activity and it will be very beneficial for you. You'll make your own puppets, you'll create your own stories, and your puppets will play the roles of all the characters. So let's start. For this you need colored papers like I have here, yellow, white, pink, whatever color you like. Then you need Fevicol, you need scissor, you need marker pens or any kind of colors of your choice. To begin with, I would like to say that you take one sheet and just fold it like this from the center, like this. Okay? And then open it. And you can again fold it to the center line that we just made by folding it. See, this matching this, and again do this. So with this, if I open, you'll be getting two stripes of same size. So let's extract it by cutting. Then children, imagine you have to make a strap like this, right? So that you can put your fingers in and your puppet would move like that. So for this, you can again bring it to half and cut like this. Easy? Again, make a roll, the cylindrical shape, and now you need Fevicol or any glue. Just put some over here like this and make your finger wrap like this. We have to make two, at least two characters would be there in our story, so we will be making two of them. Just put some Fevicol again. Same way, make a finger wrap like this. Always make it for two fingers together because that would be easier for you to play with. So just do it like this and let it dry for some time because it's wet. So let us keep it aside so that they get dry. Now for the birds, I like pink birds. So let's take this and draw a bird or any character that you want to play with. It is not necessary that you make the bird, but I am making a bird because I want my birds to talk. Here I am making a parrot, a colorful parrot. Right? So what I need to do now is just take a brush or any color you like. You can use crayons or whatever you like. I like painting colors, so I'm using painting colors. So let's paint it. I like colorful parrots, so I'm making the body red and I will now use yellow like this and like this, right? And I will use a little of blue as well. Yeah. This is looking pretty. Like this. Let this be also blue. And then its beak be yellow. Okay. I'll make it yellow. Okay, I'll keep it aside so that it gets dried. Till then I'll make another one because it's gonna talk with some bird, some other bird. So let that bird be okay. I'm going to make a sparrow now. Like this. And I'll make this also colorful. So I'll add all my favorite colors to it. And it's done. So let us now cut them out. For this, we'll cut this portion. So after cutting, both my birds are here, and here are the finger wraps that I made. Now, putting this side at the back where the joint was, you take this, the front side, and put some glue over here. Over the finger wrap that you made, and paste one of the puppet. The paper puppet on the paper finger wrap, like this. See? Now take the second wrap, put some Fevicol or some glue again on this one, and put the bird wrap on the wrap, like this. Again, let it dry for some time like this. And yes, your puppets are ready to rock your stories. Can you see? Yes, we can talk to each other. We can talk to each other. So the finger puppets are ready. I hope you like it. You can play as many stories as you want. These puppets will play the role of all the characters you can make. Just see. Good morning, how are you today? Good morning, I'm happy, let's play. La 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 la. See? So you can make your own stories. You can conversate with your puppets. So, best of luck for your activities.
Now, with the promise to see you soon with some more exciting fun, I would like to say goodbye for now. So, thank you, children, for being here with me and all your love. So, bye bye, bye bye. It's time to say goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye. Take care of yourself. Put all your stuff on shelf. Pack up for now, since I am going now. Bye bye, bye bye. Bye bye, bye bye. It's time to say goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye. Take care of yourself. Put all your stuff on shelf. Pack up for now, since I am going now. Bye bye, bye bye.